macOS 13 Ventura is out right now. It's available on the 2017 MacBook Pro and later, the 2017 MacBook and later, the 2018 MacBook Air and later, the 2018 Mac Mini and later, the 2017 iMac and later, the iMac Pro, the Mac Studio, and the 2019 Mac Pro. First, the Mail app now has improved search, undo send, schedule send, follow-up, and it now has the ability to add rich links. Spotlight now has enhanced image search, so you can find images from photos, messages, notes, Finder, and the web. And on Apple Silicon-powered Macs, you can use live text to search for images which have text inside of them. There's also now Spotlight Quick Actions, so you can quickly start an action just by typing it into Spotlight. Safari gets the same passkeys and shared tab groups features as iOS 16, and Safari is now even faster with macOS Ventura. Messages also gets the same editing, unsend, and unread features as iOS 16 as well. Photos also gets the same iCloud shared photo library as iOS 16 as well. There's also Stage Manager, which organizes your apps and windows into a single view. It works very much like iPadOS, but with a lot more room since it's on the Mac. Handoff is also coming to FaceTime, so if you're on a FaceTime call on one device, you can move that call to your Mac with just a click. On the topic of cameras, there's now Continuity Camera, which now allows you to use your iPhone as a webcam and enables some other features. Center Stage, the head tracking feature, is now available on any Mac with Continuity Camera. And Studio Light and Portrait Mode are also now available with Continuity Camera. But the coolest feature with Continuity Camera is Desk View, which allows you to use your iPhone's ultra-wide camera to mimic an overhead camera. Metal 3 with Metal FX upscaling is coming to the Mac, but only to Intel Coffee Lake and later powered Macs, and AMD Vega and later powered Macs, as well as Apple Silicon Macs, obviously. And System Preferences has been completely redesigned to look more like iOS and iPadOS, and also has a new name called System Settings now. There's a lot more like clock and weather coming to the Mac, rapid security response, locked, hidden, and deleted albums and photos, locking notes with your Mac login password, and more. macOS Ventura is available to every compatible Mac right now, but if you don't feel comfortable updating it, Apple's also releasing macOS Monterey 12.6.1 and macOS Big Sur 11.7.1 for older Mac models that don't support macOS Ventura or Monterey, or for people who don't want to update yet.